In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Claude AI step by step even if you're a complete beginner. Claude AI, developed by Anthropic, is a powerful tool you can use for writing, learning, and getting things done faster. So let's get started. First, go to the Claude website and create an account. You can sign up using your email, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Next, you'll see a simple chat interface. This is where everything happens. Think of it like messaging a smart assistant. Now, type your first prompt. A prompt is just a question or instruction you give to Claude. For example, you can type, "Explain what AI is in simple terms." Then hit send and wait a few seconds. Claude will generate a response almost instantly. Once you see the answer, you can continue the conversation. If something isn't clear, you can ask follow-up questions like, "Can you simplify that?" or "Give me an example." This is one of the best ways to learn how to use Claude effectively. Now here's an important tip: be specific with your prompts. Instead of saying, "Write something," try saying, "Write a short YouTube script about healthy habits." The more details you give, the better the results will be. You can also experiment with different types of tasks. Try asking Claude to write content, summarize articles, generate ideas, explain difficult topics, or even help with basic coding. Another helpful tip is to refine your results. If you don't like the first answer, just tell Claude what to change. For example, make it shorter or make it more engaging. Finally, the best way to get better is to practice. Try different prompts, explore features, and see what works best for you. So overall, getting started with Claude AI is simple: sign up, type a prompt, and start exploring. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.